Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you save your replays and how can you access them. Now, saving your replays requires really great hardware. So if you do not have a great hardware, I would really recommend you to turn this off. But if you have good hardware, I'll show you how. So first of all, you're going to navigate all the way to your settings. Okay, once you're in your settings, you're going to go on the game settings over here, and you're going to scroll all the way down to something called replays. Now you need to turn all these on, like record replays, record large team. If you want only like large team replays, is basically if you're playing 50v50 team rumble, all this kind of stuff. This if you want this on, you're going to record replays for these. Okay, record creative mode replays. You can, if you're playing creative and you want replays, you can turn this on. Okay, and record high quality replays. Again, if you have this on, you're going to have you need a really strong hardware, and it could actually it could actually affect your performance. But if you want this open, you can actually open up. If you're a content creator, it actually does help a lot. And yeah, so basically once you have all of these on and you apply them, now you have your replays on. Now how can you access them? So basically how can you access your replays is basically going all the way to your career. Okay, and once your career, have something called replays. Okay, once you click on replays, you're gonna have all your replays are going to show up over here, and you can actually access your replay folder over here if you're on PC, and you're going to find all the replays over here saved. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.